Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing an unboxing of my Slay Glam box for October 2022. Usually it comes in a cute little purse-like box, but today it came in this package, so don't know what's up there. Maybe we got extra products or something like that.
It feels like 2 boxes. Or maybe it's just, no.
Yeah, it's just 2 boxes there. Yeah, so Slay Glam box is a monthly subscription box. Oh, by the way, I'm Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. If you are new here, we like to open up subscription boxes. And yeah, this is a monthly subscription. One of my favorite ones. You get like 5 items. They're usually indie brand makeup items. And it is $24 a month, I believe. Yeah, so it is pretty cool. You usually always get a palette, an eyeshadow palette every time. And yeah, so let's...
And just to make sure that I'm understanding this correctly, so it's slaying in the Yas Queen Slay beauty sense and not in the +1 dagger of you know, orc slaying sense, right? Not any weapons in here.
Yeah.
Magical armor amulets or anything.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, looks like we got some really big things in here. Okay, let's start off with this little
That's
thing.
a little thing.
It says from the Beauty Crop. We've been getting a lot of things from the Beauty Crop. It says Lightning Crew, nourished with pineapple and green tea.
Lighting
Crew. Okay, Lighting Crew. What does that say down there?
nourished with pineapple and green tea.
Yeah, I said that.
Highlighting cream illuminatrice de tint. An oil-free, lightweight highlighting cream with light-capturing micronized pearlescent pigments to give you a youthful and healthy glow. Accentuate and highlight your best features and bring life and brightness to your skin while nourishing it with powerful antioxidants from pineapple and green tea.
I wish it wasn't a highlighting cream.
That's a lot of description for such a little tube.
I was hoping it was an eye primer or something. I don't like highlighting creams or liquids or anything like that. I just like powder highlighters. And so I will probably put this into a giveaway or friend mail. But I don't know.
That sounds like an excellent plan, and I completely support it.
Okay. If you like that kind of highlighters, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Okay, look at this. All right.
Now that's glam.
Holographic lip gloss squad from Bella Pierre. Oh, wow. I bet this is expensive if it's from Bella Pierre. Let's open this up and take a look at it. I am definitely doing a lip declutter this week. I've got so many lip products. But I love me a lip gloss. Don't know if I'll be keeping all of these, but that's what they look like there.
So does it make holographic images come out of your lips?
I don't know. So we have got one called Polaris.
Polaris, Pegasus, Vega, and Jupiter.
That is Polaris right there. We have got, oh, this one looks really cool. It is called Pegasus. Then we have got Vega, which looks really neat. And the one I'm really interested in is Jupiter. Kind of an orange-ish one. Oh, look.
Ah, they made you think that it was a squeeze one, but it's not.
I probably won't be keeping all of this, but I'm definitely keeping this one.
It's definitely shiny and maybe a little bit shimmery.
Here, you put it on your lips.
I don't see any holograms coming out of it, though.
I want to see what it looks like on your lips.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh, yeah, I like that.
Are my lips now more three-dimensional than they were before?
Yeah, I like that. That is pretty cool. Okay. Those are cool. I might keep the white one and the orange one. Definitely. Or maybe the pink one and the orange one. Oh, I don't know. Those are cool. Okay. And then this, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, five things, but this one thing has a lot of things in it. This looks like an eye pencil from Italia, Deluxe. Under fine,
Ultra fine. Not just fine, ultra fine.
Ultra fine. And gold. And the color gold. That is what it looks like. It is a pencil liner. That is what should look like right there. Awesome, awesome. Okay, the next thing we got is this Vitaglow from the Beauty Crop, valued at $44.
See, you didn't know this, but these beauty products, you know, if you decide that you don't want them, but you also decide you don't want to re-gift them or something, you can go out and plant them, and beauty crops will come up. Now, this isn't the season for planting. Really, you're supposed to do it, you know, early in the spring, but keep that in mind.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, in this set, we have got a Vitamin Babe Hydrating Setting Mist with vitamin C.
Vitamin Babe.
Vitamin Babe.
Babe.
We have got a Vitamin Babe bronzer right there.
What vitamins are in that?
It's a bronzer trio.
It does not say.
Probably vitamin. I don't know.
Vitamin F for fabulous.
Why don't you read on the back what it says?
Squeeze the day. This 3-piece set. See what they did there? Vitamin Babe eyeshadow features. I think the citrus fruit, the mist is the only one that actually has stuff in it, I guess.
Yeah.
But the bronzer trio has ethyl hexyl palmitate.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Butyrosperum Part 2 Shea Butter. Plus minus may contain titanium dioxide, CI77891.
Okay.
Titanium dioxide is my favorite dioxide.
So that is pretty cool that we got that. And then lastly, sorry, I always have to box stuff back up. I didn't these, but I did this. Lastly, we have a palette. You don't have to box that back up.
I know, but it takes less space.
From Russia B Cosmetics. Russia is, of course, the owner of the Glam Slay Box. Oh, that feels
shiny.
Feel that. It has some texture to it.
Ooh, cool.
This is the Bonfire eyeshadow palette.
Mm-hmm.
Got a mirror, and then look at that.
Lots of shiny stuff.
Look at that palette. That is pretty. We've got some greens, oranges, yellows, purples. And what is that color?
That looks like Duochrome.
That actually, unlike her other palette, actually might be a duochrome.
Fancy.
I wonder if this one will stick up my eyes. Let's swatch some others. I'm interested to see what her palette is like. Oh, that's a dark green. I thought it was a black. That lime green is kind of light. I had to swatch it a few times.
You don't see very many palettes with a lot of neon-ish colors like that.
Mm-hmm.
And that other silvery, shimmery one down there in the lower left.
Yeah. Oh, interesting.
Ooh.
Okay, that's a really nice
That's very vivid
orange there.
Orangey gold. Ooh.
That's kind of a light silver. What color is that? Just a brown?
Brownish. Dark purple.
It's a nice purple. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't swatch it right. That purple there. Yeah.
Very cool.
I'm interested in playing with that. Are we going to do Halloween looks tomorrow?
Maybe.
I'll use this palette. Again, that's what it looks like right there.
Full of palette goodness.
And so, yeah, that is what we got in our Slay Glam box this month.
Do you feel slayed?
Yeah, I'm pretty slayed. I love this palette. I think I'm going to keep these two. And I love the vitamin C stuff. And I'll probably give that other thing away in a giveaway. And yeah, I think it was a very successful box this month.
Pretty cool.
Let me know. Oh yeah, and this eyeliner, which I haven't been using eyeliners in my waterline a lot lately. I need to start doing that again. And yeah, let us know in the comments down below if you get this box. What did you think this month?
Down below.
And if you think that it was a good box this month, and
if it slayed you.
If it slayed you, yeah, we want to know.
And if you think it's slaying so much that it might be dangerous, yeah.
Are you thinking about getting this box? Let me know. And even if you don't get this box, just let me know your opinion down below. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Of course, leave a comment down below. And yeah, if you are new to this channel, hi, welcome. We are very happy to have you. And on my channel, I do lots of makeup material. We do subscription box unboxings. I do cooking videos, and sometimes I do talk about mental health issues. If you are interested in any of that, or say you're interested in all of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe, tap that notification bell, set it to all, so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. If you don't mind, please check my description box and check me out on Instagram, on Twitter, and on TikTok. And we do hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and, of course, sending you out all those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will see you in another video tomorrow where we are doing Halloween looks. We don't know what we're doing yet, but we're going to do something. Okay.
It will be an attempt.
See you then. Okay. Goodbye.